morning, everyone. We will start the morning call. US markets were mildly positive yesterday, while today morning Asian markets are slightly negative amid prospects of sharp Fed rate hikes, war in Ukraine, and China's COVID outbreak. So for this current week, global equities are on course for posting losses. Today's focus will be on the Monetary Policy Committee's rate decision, which will be announced at 10 a.m. RBI is likely to leave the benchmark repo rate unchanged at 4%. Although concerns over inflation remain, that is quickening on the back of higher crude oil and other commodity prices. RBI is expected to raise its retail inflation projection for FY23 by 50 to 80 basis points from current 4.5%. RBI will also likely indicate the course it will adopt through the year as it seeks to strike a balance between sustaining growth and curbing inflation. I will now hand over the call to the technical team.
Thank you, Jian. Good morning, all of you. Last three trading session, we see the some selling pressure and maybe see the profit booking at this level. But Nifty at 17,600, 17,650 is a lower band. So we expect Nifty take a support this range, and if Nifty break 17,600, then next important support place around 17,550, 17,500 at downside. But we expect, and this level we expect the bounce back again towards 17,750, 17,800. So first half, we closely watch this important support zone. If Nifty manage this support zone and again trade above 17,750, then we expect further momentum towards 17,900, 18,000 in upside. So today we watch closely this support zone. If Nifty manage to sustain this zone, then we expect the further momentum. Bank Nifty also trading near the support zone. We already yesterday also mentioned that Bank Nifty has strong support 37,500, 37,300 at downside. And upside immediate resistance place 38,000 is Bank Nifty close above this level today's weekly close. Then we again see next week positive momentum in index. So today both index trading is a major support zone for retracement level. So if Nifty sustain this level and Bank Nifty, then we expect the further momentum in next week. Nifty Finance also looks positive at current level. We also see the Nifty Finance also trading near the support zone. So we expect it's a immediate support for Nifty Finance is 17,210 and 17,140 at downside. Next immediate resistance place around 17,400. If it's close above, then we expect further momentum in all three index. To expect first half Nifty in the sideways. If manage to sustain this important level, then we expect second half will be the bounce back in all three index. Stock specific, ICICI Banks looks positive at current level also. HUL yesterday also mentioned that HUL looks positive at current level. Dr. Reddy also looks positive at current level. To expect positive momentum in Dr. Reddy. And AU Small Bank also looks positive. Already given call in AU Small Bank with the target of 1420 and stop loss at 1300. LNT also looks positive at current level. To expect this Nifty index stock on positive side. LNT upside 1870, 1880 upside is next target. Support place around downside around 1790 to expect positive in LNT side. That's it for technical. Derivative I can carry.
Yeah, thank you, Vikas. Good morning, everyone. So as per derivatives data, we are seeing it that major strikes are around the 17,800 to 18,300 strike. We have witnessed that almost all major positions of call and put order positions got unwinded. While on the downside, we are seeing that at 17,600 put order position got added up. So 17,600 will act as a support. While on the upper hand, we are seeing at 17,700 and 800 there are almost 10 million positions of call order positions got added up. So for the pullback, it is necessary for Nifty to get above 17,800 level. As I mentioned in last previously before 2 to 3 trading session, that Nifty is having strong support at 17,700 to 17,650 level. We are seeing that the Nifty future yesterday closed at 17,730 level, while the premium for the Nifty currently is 90 points. From last 2 to 3 days, we are seeing that the premium is very high for the Nifty. So if Nifty manages to sustain above 17,650 level, then we might witness a strong pullback once Nifty manages to get above 17,800 level because of the premium. Because the premium actually trade between 30, 35 to 40 points, but from last 2 to 3 days, we are seeing that premium is almost around 70 to 90 points, and yesterday also it was 90-point premium in the Nifty. So currently we are seeing a pullback to be seen in the market once if Nifty manages to hold support of 17,650 level. But if Nifty breaks 17,650 level, then we might see more 200 to 250 points at downside. So place your long position with the support of 17,650 level, while PCROI yesterday closed at 0.79. So PCROI has having support at 0.75 to 0.74 level. So if PCR goes below 0.74 level, then we might see some sell-off to get and all the buying position which we have witnessed in last week that to be wiped off if PCR goes below 0.74 level, or else the Nifty goes before that below 17,650 level. So hold a long position with the strict stop losses. Currently, as per stock specific, we expect a Tata Communication and PL, Piramal Enterprise and BL. These three counter looks positive for coming trading session. Thank you.
Um, Yesterday, the result of Sterling and Wilson Renewable Energy came, and it continued to remain weak. Revenue declined 22% year on year, and EBITDA was again a negative figure of 124 crores. So one can avoid the stock. And Cholamandalam Investment and Finance Q4 business update came, which was positive. Disbursements came at all-time high of 12,700 crores, which was up 58% and 20 year on year and 22% quarter on quarter. This strong growth was led by vehicle finance, LAP disbursal, and also by the new segment which the company started around 4 or 5 months back, which is the SME segment with a tech-led focus. And so that new segment itself contributed around 1,500 crores to the disbursal of 12,700 crores. So expect disbursal growth for FY23 also to remain strong because of this new segment, which will be an added growth engine. And on the asset quality side, the collection efficiency improved to 138% in Q4 compared to 120% year on year. So this will again result in strengthening the asset quality position. And we are seeing the CV numbers as well. They remain strong. Cycle is picking up well. And so Chola should continue to outperform the BFSI as well as overall market going forward. SH Kelkar Q4 business update is neutral. On a console basis, the sales for Q4 improved by 5.5% year on year. The spread of Omicron in the domestic markets impacted FMCG consumption, and offtake also remained subdued as a result of inflationary pressures. Oberoi Realty reported pre-sales for Q4, which was at 900 crores. This is much lower compared to quarter on quarter and year on year figure of close to 2,000 crores. So it is negative for Oberoi Realty. Sobha also reported pre-sales for Q4. The number was 935 crores compared to year on year 874 crores and quarter on quarter 908 crores. So mild, some sort of improvement, but also overall realization here came better at 8265 rupees per square feet compared to 8014 year on year. So this is neutral for Sobha. That's it from my side. Thank you.
Good morning. JSW Ispat Special Products reported its production numbers for Q4. It came at 0.17 million ton versus 0.14 million ton sequentially and 0.15 million ton year on year. This is positive for the company. Jindal Stainless posted its sales volume for quarter four. It stood at 269,000 ton versus 248,000 ton quarter on quarter, and 255,000 ton year on year. This is positive for the company. Thank you.
Yeah, one more thing that Indiabull Real Estate has launched QIP and floor price fixed at around 106 rupees. The QIP is of around 650 crore rupees, and with green shoe option of 350 crores. Considering that they are including green shoe option also, it seems like the response to the QIP is not so great. Earlier also we had updated that the combined entity will have a very high debt of around 5,000 crores. So that will act a bit negative for the company. And the projects which will be launched will start generating revenue over a period of say around 9 months to 1 year. There is no immediate growth plan in the near term. So overall outlook on the Indiabull Real Estate remain negative. So that's all from us. Thank you very much and have a good day.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.